Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got some thrilling news about the upcoming iPhone 16 Pro. Leaked images hint at a huge camera upgrade, and we're here to break it all down for you. Let's dive in. iPhone 16 Pro Max comparison. As we look ahead to September, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is also shaping up to succeed the iPhone 15 Pro Max as Apple's most advanced iPhone. Let's see how it compares to its predecessor. Design and size. The iPhone 16 Pro Max will keep the titanium frame and flat screen of the iPhone 15 Pro Max but with a larger 6.9-inch display, up from 6.7 inches. This is achieved by shrinking the bezels and slightly increasing the overall size. The new model will also have a capture button in addition to the action button and USB-C port carried over from the 15 Pro Max. Colors and display. Color-wise, the iPhone 16 Pro Max might feature a glossier titanium finish that retains colors better. Aside from the size increase, it will likely still offer a Liquid Retina XDR display with an OLED panel, 120Hz promotion refresh rate, and superb color and brightness. Performance and software. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is expected to feature a second-generation 3nm chip, possibly called the Apple A18 Pro, focusing on AI improvements. It will debut iOS 18, emphasizing AI features, and support faster Wi-Fi 7 and a more efficient 5G modem. Camera improvements. The iPhone 16 Pro Max might finally see an upgrade to its ultra-wide camera, with a 48-megapixel sensor. The device will continue to set benchmarks in audio and haptics, providing top-notch quality and precise feedback. Battery life and charging. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is rumored to have a larger 4,676 mAh battery, up from the 4,422 mAh battery in the 15 Pro Max. While there's no word on faster charging speeds yet, we hope to see improvements. Overall impressions. Overall, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is shaping up to be a logical upgrade with key improvements in screen size, performance, AI, and battery life. There's no news on a price increase, so it might start at $1,199 for the 256GB version. If you already have the iPhone 15 Pro Max, there might be fewer reasons to upgrade, but stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the release date. Conclusion. What do you think about the potential camera upgrades on the iPhone 16 Pro? Are you excited about the possibility of a 5x telephoto lens? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell for notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with more tech news and updates.